I will start clicking on pipelines and on library. So here I will create a new variable group. I will name it something that's easier to identify my environment. So here I will create a variable like infra/azure/development/library, and I will add some variables here. In my case, I will add some variables to pass to Terraform during the pipeline execution, to pass my Azure credentials to Terraform. So I need to define 4 variables here: the ARM client ID, the ARM client secret, the ARM tenant ID, and the ARM subscription ID. I will keep it empty for a while, but you need to define those 4 variables here to use it afterwards. And that's done.